Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General, Book 15, Test 3, the Writing Task 2. Do you agree or disagree? In the future, more people will choose to go on holiday in their country and not travel abroad on holiday. Do you agree or disagree? This 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, mention the topic and your opinion. In para 1, discuss the topic and give your opinion. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now, in the introduction, mention the topic and your opinion. It is stated that in the future, more people might opt to go on holiday in their own country rather than traveling abroad. I too agree with the statements as there are several advantages to choosing domestic travel. And in this essay, I will discuss the reasons for my point of view. Now, in para 1, discuss the topic. On one hand, vacationing within one's own country can be more affordable. Domestic travel often involves fewer expenses associated with international flights, visas, and currency exchange rates. This affordability can make holidays more accessible to a wider range of people, allowing families to enjoy quality time together without breaking the bank. Moreover, traveling domestically promotes local economies. When people choose to vacation within their own country, they support local businesses such as hotels, restaurants, and tourist attractions. This influx of tourism can stimulate economic growth and create job opportunities within communities. Now, in para 2, give your opinion. On the other hand, exploring one's own country can foster a deeper connection to one's culture and heritage. By visiting historical sites, national park, and cultural landmarks, individuals can gain a better understanding and appreciation of their country's rich history and diverse traditions. And lastly, domestic travel can be more environmentally friendly. By reducing the carbon footprint associated with long-haul flights, individuals can contribute to efforts to combat climate change and preserve natural resources. And finally, summarize the essay. Overall, choosing to go on holiday in one's own country offers numerous advantages, including affordability, support for local economies, cultural enrichment, and environmental sustainability. As such, it is no surprise that many people may opt for domestic travel in the future. Now, this next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.